morning, Sherry. I wanted to hop on really quickly to let you know that the private tutorial for making these hanging file folders now on sale on my website. For 24 hours, you'll be able to take advantage of 65% off the normal sale price for these. They go off sale at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. At 4 p.m. Eastern Time, you won't be able to find that sale on my website. It'll go back to the normal price. So if you want to take advantage of this exclusive private tutorial, head over to my website, 65% off. The link is in the description box. Have a great day.